class, I hope you're all doing okay. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make the structure of the earth using Play-Doh. So if you want to find out how to do it, then keep watching. So you're going to start with using some red Play-Doh, and this is going to be the inner core. Now the inner core is very hot. It is the hottest layer of the earth and is made up of metals including iron and nickel. And it's also a complete solid. Now you're going to take some orange Play-Doh and you're going to roll this out and wrap it around the inner core. So the layer we're doing at the moment is called the outer core, and this is also very hot. It's made up of the same metals as the inner core, but instead of being a solid, this layer is actually a liquid, so it's free flowing. The third layer is called the mantle. Now for this layer you are going to need a whole tub of Play-Doh. The reason being is because this layer is the thickest layer of the earth, so you want this to be quite thick. Now the mantle is made up of semi-molten rock called magma. It's also very hot, but not quite as hot as the inner core and the outer core. The final layer, you're going to need some blue Play-Doh and you're going to roll this out really thin, because unlike the mantle, which is very thick, the crust, the layer that we live on, is very thin. So try and get this as thin as possible. For the final part, you're going to need green Play-Doh, and this is for all of the continents. You're also going to need a cutter to try and cut them out. Don't worry about doing it accurately because it's really fiddly. As long as you've got the lines on there, that's fine. Finally, I'm using a nylon thread to cut through the centre of the earth to reveal the layers inside. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in another one.